Hello students, in the last video we have discussed the variation of relation between the small g and capital G. So in unit 5.6 we will discuss the variation of small g with altitude, that is above the surface of earth. So this is the earth and r is the radius of earth. Let a body placed on the surface of earth, let its acceleration gravity small g is equal to gm by r square. This is equation 1, this is the earth, and m is the mass of the earth. Already in the last video we have derived it. And g dash is equal to acceleration gravity at a height h above the surface of earth. Let the body is displaced to a height h above the surface of earth. So g dash is equal to gm divided by, since it is distance measured from the, always measured from the center mass, so that is r square. In this case this is r plus h whole square. This is r plus h whole square. This is equation 2. So g dash by g is equal to gm divided by r plus h whole square divided by gm by r square. So gm cancel. So g dash by g is equal to r square divided by r plus h whole square. So 1 by 1 plus h by r whole square. So g dash is equal to g into 1 plus h by r whole square whole to the power minus 2. So this is the variation of small g with altitude. This the g dash is the acceleration gravity at a height h. Gravity at height h. That is the altitude. At altitude, this is the axis of gravity at the height h above the surface of earth. G dash was g into 1 plus h by r whole to the power minus 2. This is the general expression for the variation of axis of gravity above the surface of earth. Now, since the radius of earth r is equal to 6,400 kilometer, if h is very less than r, h by r is very less than 1. So expanding binomially, from this expression expanding binomially, so we can calculate g dash equal to g into 1 minus a binomial expanding binomially by applying the binomial theorem by minus 2h divided by r. So g dash is equal to g into minus 2hg by r, which you can write it as g dash. So this is g minus g dash is equal to hg by r. Since g minus g dash is equal to 2hg by r, so this is positive, which implies g dash less than g. So while going above this term is positive. So while going above the surface of earth, acceleration with gravity decreases. So acceleration gravity decreases. So what is the loss of weight if a body will move above the surface of earth? Because g is the acceleration gravity on the surface of earth, g dash is above the surface at a height h. So g minus g dash will 2hg by r. So since this is positive, g must be greater than g dash must be less than g. So that is loss of weight of the body. Weight of body is equal to mg minus mg dash. By multiplying m, that is equal to 2h mc divided by r. This is the loss of weight. Why if a body is displaced at a height h above the surface of earth. Now we'll discuss the variation of small g with depth. Variation of small g with depth. Depth means below the surface of earth. Altitude means above the surface of earth. The depth means below the surface of earth. Now I'll discuss in unit 5.6 also. It is included that how the access to gravity varies at a depth below the surface of earth. This is the variation of small g at the depth d. Depth means below the surface of earth. And this is the earth, and r is the radius of earth, and g is the axis of gravity on the surface of earth. So g is equal to gm divided by r square. We know that if a body placed on the surface of earth, g is equal to gm by r square. And if a tunnel is made just at a depth d below the surface of earth. So let a body is placed at a depth d and let g dash equal access to gravity. And also this mass of the body, this entire the body, mass of the body can be expressed as volume into density. Volume means 4 by 3 pi r into rho. Rho is the average density of earth. So we can write it as g is equal to g into 4 by 3 pi r into rho divided by r square. So g is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube rho 4 by 3 this is r 4 by 3 r rho g. This is the acceleration gravity. This is the acceleration due to gravity. G is equal to on the surface of r 4 by 3 pi r rho g. This is equation 1. And at a depth d, so this is r minus d. At a depth d, g dash equal acceleration to gravity at depth d. At depth d. So g dash is equal to, we can write 4 by 3 pi r minus d rho g dash. This is equation 2. So g dash by g is equal to 4 by 3 pi r minus d rho g